Lead Executive Officer of the Natural Resource Development, Conservation and Utilization Sector at the Ministry of Agriculture, Fanos Makonnen, has stated that this year's preparation is being implemented in a more comprehensive and coordinated manner than ever before. He explained that more than 40 billion seedlings have been planted over the past 6 years through the initiative, as the Ministry aims to prepare 7.5 billion seedlings this year.
አረንጓዴ አሻራ አንደኛ የአካባቢን ስነ ምህዳር ከመጠበቅ አኳያ ያደረገው አስተዋጽኦ ቀላል የሚባል አይደለም።
The Green Legacy Initiative has played a significant role in preserving the ecology. When our Green Legacy Initiative was started, our forest cover at national level was 17.2%. However, according to 2023 year's study, the forest cover has grown to above 23.6%. We are also massively involving to aggrandize the forest cover level to more than 30% by 2030. Preparations have been underway, starting from identifying seedlings to actual planting process. There is also a proper identification of plant species which are edible because our move focuses on assuring food security as well. Follow-ups will also be implemented after plantation too. The Green Legacy Initiative has made the community assure food security, create job opportunities and tackle soil erosion in a nutshell. Its impact is multidimensional and quite significant.
ምግብ ዋስትናን ከማረጋገጥም ባለፈ የስነ ምግብንም ያረጋገጥ ነው ማለት ነው።
Fanos further elaborated of the 6 billion seedlings prepared so far this year, 40% is allocated to forest development, while the remaining 60% is intended to plant species for improving soil fertility, producing animal fodder and cultivating fruit plants. He said planting seedlings will begin this month in regions which are receiving rainfall and suitable for saplings growth.
ለዘንድሮ ለምሳሌ 7.5 ቢሊዮን ችግኝ ለማፍላት እቅድ ተይዟል ማለት ነው።
This year we have planned to have 7.5 billion seedlings. Among these, we have so far had more than 6 billion seedlings. The other work is identifying places where we plant seedlings during the winter season. During our systematic soil conservation journeys, so far we have been en route identifying areas suitable for Green Legacy Initiative. So far we have finished identifying and making ready about 40% of the holes as part of our massive move.
ለአረንጓዴ አሻራ የችግኝ ተከላ የሚሆኑ ጉድጓዶችም እየተዘጋጁ የመጡበት ነው ማለት ነው።
According to Fanos, the Green Legacy Initiative has played a crucial role in boosting environmental conservation efforts, notably increasing Ethiopia's forest coverage from 70.2 to 23.6%, emphasizing its impact on soil and water conservation. He stated the Green Legacy Initiative has helped to reduce soil erosion and created employment opportunities, indicating that it also supports food security efforts by encouraging the cultivation of fruit-bearing plants.
ይሄ የሚተከሉት ችግኞች በሙሉ ጂኦሬፈረንስ ይደረጋሉ።
All the plants which are going to be planted are also georeferenced. Georeference is all about identifying the place where these plants are found. We carefully identify places where to plant the plants. There is a polygon shape for the plants. In this polygon, we go through all important plant studies. We make sure whether the plants store water in it, whether there is microbasin or bench terracing. Everything is studied first. During planting, places will be identified based on the nature of plants. Almost every process of identifying the exact location of all these Green Legacy seedlings has been finished. The rest is all about verifying it.
የጉድጓድ የተቆፈረበት ቦታ ላይም ደግሞ ምን አይነት ችግኝ ነው የሚተከለው በምን አይነት ስፔሲንግ ነው ተብሎ ያም እንደ አግሮ ኢኮሎጂው ተለይቶ ደግሞ ለዛ የሚሆን የችግኝ ጉድጓድ የተዘጋጀበትና ያ ደግሞ ጂኦ ሪፈረንስ የተደረገበት ሁኔታ ነው ያለው ማለት ነው።
Ethiopia has also shared its success stories with other countries contributing to the global climate change mitigation efforts.